Welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at TGO, and got the all-important jobs numbers out today, folks, which is very interesting based on the ADP numbers that came out on Wednesday. 217,000, so a little bit of a beat out of the government, and the unemployment rate actually was forecasted to go up, but it remained level. Average hourly earnings also flat. Okay, so kind of a non-event. I mean, the market's up 65 points. The SPUs are up about 7 right now. So it's kind of a just kind of the market took it in stride, and we're nearing 1950 on the S&P 500. And you know what 1950 was? Goldman Sachs June of 2015 target. So, Goldman Sachs, I could never work there. It's full of smart people. Really? Well, we're already at Goldman's June 2015 target. But the 217,000 jobs, folks, a little bit of a beat than the 215. But we still need to take a look at how many millions of Americans are out of the labor force. Okay, so virtually unchanged this time, a 9,000 to but 92 million. Okay, are people who are not in the labor force, right? The labor force participation rate, however, remains at a 30-plus year low of about 62.8%. Okay, that's not good. Okay, but we have kind of regained all the jobs, quote unquote, that we got shellacked in 2007, 2008. Okay, so some silver lining in this in the jobs number here, but again, based on some of the macroeconomic data that came out earlier in the week, we're still kind of wallowing around here, folks. We're at record highs in the market, low volume, low volatility, and kind of economic news that's both a hit and a miss. Okay, but regardless. Here at Top Gun Options, what are we doing? We're doing incredibly well. Look at our weekly options model portfolio this week, folks. I'm currently up, it's around lunchtime, I'm up $6,300. There's about another $1,800 maybe to go on 2 trades, on 3 trades. I have a Google Iron Condor, a Twitter Iron Condor, and a Google Bull Put spread there. So we are potentially going to make $8,000 on 13,000 in risk, folks, over a 60% return in 1 week. This is some pretty shit hot performance, folks. And if you want to check out how we trade weekly options here and potentially get on board, here's where you need to go. TopGunOptions.com/test-flight. Go there right now, and for the price of a really cheap bottle of wine for the next 2 weeks, you can trade weekly options with me, get SMS, text and email updates to the trades that I add to the model portfolio, and you also get access to the primary live trade briefs. These are about an hour and a half, 2 hour long live trading sessions. Don't worry if you can't make it because they are recorded and you can watch them at your leisure, okay? And I'm also going to throw in a couple manuals for you, folks. Our primary workbook, our options pocket checklist, and about 6 hours of video trading to knock off the rust if you need it. Okay, that is about $720, folks, and we'll give it to you for $38. Why? Because I know once you get in here and check it out, you're not going to leave. Okay, it's a great deal. So stop on by, folks. I got to run because I want to trade these weekly options the rest of the day and then potentially make even more money. But that's pretty cool, folks. $8,000 on 13,000 risk. If I hit my head this week and never looked at these trades again, and they all went against me, the most I could have lost was $13,000 in the model portfolio. Instead, we're looking at a $6,300 gain with a potential another $1,700 to go by the close today, and I'm feeling pretty confident about that. About another $150 in my Google Iron Condor and about $1,500 in Twitter, and I'm liking where we are. So I had a great week. Hopefully you did as well. We'll be back on Monday with Monday's Market Outlook. I'm going to be up in New York City working with one of the world's largest financial firms for a couple of days. So if you're in the New York area and you want to maybe catch a drink, shoot me an email and maybe we'll hook up. Okay. Have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll talk to you guys later. We'll see you.